This tutorial will introduce you to the Lexis Advance Research Map and its key features. The Lexis Advance History List feature makes it easy for you to continue interrupted research, rerun searches from previous sessions, and review previous research activities. The Research Map is an interactive graphical representation of the same research activity displayed in the history list. You can use the Research Map to review or evaluate research, continue research from a previous session, and search more deeply using its built-in tools. The Research Map will display trails that show the details of your research activities, giving you a more complete representation than a simple list view provides. You are able to view details of the steps represented in the trails, as well as compare results and find similar documents from different search activities. To display the Research Map, use the Research Map link on the History tile on the home page. The Research Map link on the History drop-down menu in the Global Navigation bar, or the Research Map button in the full history list. The Research Map displays in the right-hand pane. The left-hand pane displays options for narrowing or expanding the activities that appear in the map. Let's have a look at the filter options in the left-hand pane first. The Search Within History box lets you limit the map to only those items that contain the terms you enter, such as part of a search query or document title. The View by dialog allows you to display items in reverse chronological order based on the time and date of their most recent modification or time and date of the original activity. The Matter filter allows you to show activities associated with one or more selected matter ID. Select the boxes for matters whose research you want to include in the map, or clear those you do not want. After you have selected your matters, click the OK button to display the research activities associated with the selected matters. The Date dialog allows you to change to a different date or date range. Dates on the calendar are color-coded to indicate the level of research activity completed on that day. To select a single day, click the date, then click the OK button. You can also select a range of up to 30 consecutive days. Just click the first date, hold down the Shift key, and then click the last date in the date range of interest. Then click the OK button. Now the Research Map will display only activity from the dates selected. Use these checkboxes to show or hide research activities appearing in the map. You can use the All Trails box to quickly select or deselect all activities in the map. Now let's look at the map itself. The Research Map shows your research activities organized into threads or trails and displays a number of aspects or properties of each step in the trail. The events that will begin a new trail are running a search, printing, downloading or emailing a document, sending a document to Dropbox, accessing a document from a work folder, using the Compare Search Results feature, using the Find Similar Documents feature. For a research trail that begins with a search, the map will show the terms you searched for, the number of results retrieved in each content type you viewed, any filters you applied or removed, along with their revised results totals, and any documents you viewed within each content type. The same events and information are also recorded and displayed for research trails that begin with Compare Search Results or Find Similar Documents functions. If you access a document from a work folder, or print, email, or download a document, the activity will be shown as a separate trail in the Research Map. Clicking on any icon in the map will provide a context-sensitive menu of available actions. Clicking on any icon representing a search will show you the search terms used, the type of search that was run, natural language or terms and connectors. For more information on the difference between natural language and terms and connectors searches, see the Search Basics tutorial. From here, you can rerun the search, either as it was originally run or using a different search type, expand the search to include synonyms and equivalents, save the search to a work folder, or create an alert based on the search. This box icon represents a set of results in a single content type. Clicking this icon allows you to rerun the search and view the results for that content type, compare this result set with the results of another search, save the search to a work folder, or create an alert based on the search. This blue icon represents a result set narrowed down by the post-search filter. Clicking this icon allows you to rerun the search using the selected filter and all previous filters in the trail, compare this subset of results with the results of another search, save the filtered search to a work folder, or create an alert based on the filtered search. Anytime documents are viewed, printed, downloaded, emailed, or accessed from a work folder, those documents are grouped under these grey icons. The number of documents accessed is shown on the icon. Clicking the icon opens a list showing all of the documents that were the subject of that action. Documents accessed via links in other documents are also shown, so that you can easily make sense of the complex research trails. Clicking on a document title in this list shows the full title of the document and allows you to open the document, save the document to a work folder, find similar documents, or find all occurrences of this document in your research history. Research Map allows you to compare the results of 2 or more searches. This function will show you which documents are present in all of the selected result sets. All of the result sets you select to compare must be in the same content type. To compare search results, click on the Results Set icon. Click Select Search to compare search results. Repeat these steps for 1 or more additional result sets, and then click Find. You can use this control to see and remove any of the searches you are comparing. You can also find documents that are similar to up to 3 documents you select from a result set using the Find Similar Documents feature of the Research Map. To do this, click on the document title, click Select the document to find similar, repeat these steps for up to 2 other documents within the same content type, and then click Find. You can use this control to see and remove any of the documents you have selected. This concludes the Research Map tutorial.